Let us install xenapp 6.5 on a server. To install xenapp 6.5, we need Windows Server 2008 R2 or Windows Server 2008 R2 SP1. I've already copied the installation media to the local C drive on the desktop. Let's just install xenapp 6.5. So in the installer folder you can find autorun.exe. Just install, click on yes, click on install xenapp server. If the server don't have .NET 3.5 SP1 installed, it will auto install. Just click OK to install. Now it is installing .NET 3.5 SP1. Before that, we can change the user access control. User accounts, change user accounts and control settings. Should never notify to the admins. Yes. Installing, it will take a minute or two. The installation is completed. Now it is discovering the xenapp products. Let's exit this screen. It will give you the list of products it has. Just like same server manager concept, you have to add the server roles. In this server roles we have xenapp, edge side server, web interface server, license server. First you need to mention the edition. Let's click on enterprise edition. You have to accept the license agreement. As you said, license server, xenapp server, web interface server. These are the common roles, and the other roles for secure gateway, power capacity management, and edge side server. We are now installing xenapp. Next, if we install xenapp, the default components will be xenapp server, xenapp management, and Windows desktop experience integration. Click on next. So these are the prerequisites to install xenapp server. Nothing to do, it will auto install all the components. Just click on install. Now it has 11 components to install. Before that, it will install remote desktop services role and it will reboot the server. Now it is installing remote desktop services role and desktop experience role. By using the desktop experience role, you can get the Citrix icons here. Top of the window remote desktop services, you can get a Citrix folder. There you can see the installation of xenapp server programs. Now click on finish. Now it will ask for a reboot. So we'll reboot the server and we will be back for the next session. xenapp installation is completed. Click on finish. It will ask for a reboot. Just reboot the server.